Welcome friend, you made it to my first tutorial training. Okay, I'm gonna be showing you how to mine 1 Bitcoin in just 60 days on CryptoTab using a secret proven method I'm currently using. Friend, this is no joke at all. So I suggest you pay close attention and stick to all my training steps. Never skip a step so you don't miss out and lose money. Step 1. Hit or tap on the download link below this video and download the CryptoTab Miner browser. I have been mining with the CryptoTab browser free light version, which is 100% free to download and start mining 1 Bitcoin in just 60 days using my secret proven method, and have also been withdrawing Bitcoin using the free light version to mine Bitcoin. Alright friend, this method I'm about to show you works both with the free light version and the pro version. So if you are already using the light version, it's okay. You can absolutely use any of the versions and mine on mobile Android with your phone, or desktop version to mine on PC. It will work with my secret proven method I'm about to show you in my next training right after you complete step 1 and get your CryptoTab Android or desktop version. Okay, there is one important step you must also need to complete right after you have used the link below to download the CryptoTab browser miner. You need to come back to the download page and scroll down. Right here you will need to download the CryptoTab CTVPN. This will allow you to have non-restricted access always to your mining dashboard. It is very important you download it, and you can run it on free version so you will always have free access to your mining dashboard to mine Bitcoin using your device. Now let's see a recap of how your mining dashboard will look like after you have logged into your miner. Remember, you must log into your mining dashboard with your Gmail account and keep the browser running. Okay, here is a video clip from a new miner who had just installed the browser and already started mining and making Bitcoin.
Do you want free Bitcoin? Good, I'm glad you clicked on this video. Now, in another 1 minute, I'm going to show you CryptoTab browser. You can go and download this browser in the link in the description, and you'll be able to sign up for it. And all you got to do, get the browser, turn this mining speed on, and you are automatically mining Bitcoin. You can see there after about a day of me having this program on, I've earned about 13 cents. But there are options where you can use the Cloud Boost to mine more with this browser. This browser acts like any other browser. You can click right there. You can go to YouTube. This application acts as a Bitcoin mining cloud network. So you don't need any hardware. You can literally use this on your phone, on your computer, on your tablet, and compound the Bitcoin that you're earning. Now, once you've got it downloaded and it's up, you don't have to do anything. Just leave the browser up and running, and it will continue to mine Bitcoin for you.
Now that you have a CryptoTab mining browser, copy your affiliate link from your dashboard and send to the email address you see on this screen to get access to my next tutorial training steps on how to start mining 1 Bitcoin in 60 days using my next secret method that will start building your mining network using my traffic software Rotator, which you only need to plug in and sit back while you start making lots of Bitcoin on complete autopilot. Once you set it up, it mines you Bitcoin 24/7 and will keep mining non-stop even while you sleep without any need to manually refer anyone. Okay friend, see you in my next training.